The Renault Mégane RS uses a 1.8-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, pushing out 205 kilowatts and 390 newton-meters of torque. The brochure claims that it takes 5.8 seconds to get from 0 to 100. This specific Renault Mégane comes with 19-inch Interlagos diamond effect black rims as standard, and it comes in a flame red color. Amongst the many technologies is the 4Control 4-wheel steering system, which allows the rear wheels to turn a bit when you're going to tight bends when you turn, which allows this car to be really agile and take those corners really tightly.
Good day, guys. Dylan from Zanzibar Petrol Heads here, and we are in the Renault Mégane RS today. I'm doing this review because last time when I did the Polo GTI review, we spoke about the competition against the Polo GTI and this RS and the Mini Cooper. So I'm here to talk about its pros and cons. Okay, this is fun. This is more fun than the Polo, I won't lie. Okay, wow. Okay, so guys, meet TK. TK is at the back.
Yo, what's up?
The owner of this car. TK, what are your favorite things about this car, bro? Like,
Sound, man.
yeah, I was about to say the same thing. Like,
Sound.
it makes you feel alive. Like,
There's
you've drove Karabo's car, right?
Yeah.
Compared to this.
This one you enjoy it every day. It's never a dull day. It's never
Really?
a blue Monday.
Really, because you can do this. Do you know anything about your car? How many kilowatts does your car have?
This car has 205 kilowatts, 390 torque.
Guys, he's on Google right now.
Oh, what?
He's on Google.
I'm holding my beer, guys. I don't know if it's allowed to show on your YouTube channel.
Where did you get the alcohol, man?
My house.
Nice. Okay. Have you guys drag raced between you and Garawa? Have you guys?
I think we're waiting for the 4th of September, ODI Raceway.
Oh.
I'm also waiting for the JCW to come.
Which one? The slow one?
Apparently it's the fastest car here.
In case you don't know, the JCW driver is the cameraman for today. Hello, Blessed.
Hello?
He's quiet because I don't know why. But drag race wise, top speed wise, you know the JCW wins.
Yeah, top speed.
0 to 100 wise.
We don't know.
We don't know yet. RT in the top speed.
I think they were in the room.
I just know between the JCW and the RS, those cars are both fun to play with.
You guys should hear the sound from outside. I hope I don't kill the gearbox, bruh.
Please. I've already bought a new one once here.
And yeah, that's one of the things we're going to talk about. This car's maintenance is very fucking expensive, guys. Sorry for swearing, but it's very expensive. Tiki, how much did you pay for your gearbox?
Well, insurance paid 200, I paid 10. So it's 210.
How much?
210. Okay.
For a gearbox.
Yeah.
That's a lot. And that's only for a car which you've had a couple of issues with already. And you haven't driven it for that long to say a gearbox should be a problem at that time.
Now the gearbox was caused by, I think, I hit a young serious pothole, damaged my rim, damaged the gearbox. The gearbox was leaking. I only realized 6 months later that the gearbox was damaged.
Yeah, I'm sure you had to fight with insurance with that one.
Oh no, insurance didn't fight. Insurance did the right things. Get the right insurance. PSG. Trust. They might be expensive, but it's worth it. Eh?
It's worth the price.
It's worth the price. Any other insurance that have told me, fuck you. Sorry for sorry.
Okay, I don't know stress. And then besides the sound, what are the best features of your car?
The handling. You can take any curves. If you knew,
Yes.
it has full control.
Yes, four-wheel control. The rear wheels do turn a bit.
When I turn.
That's why he can take curves like he can drift. I wonder how many times we almost died in this car. Guys, just listen to this. Okay, this car really allows to take the curves. Now I see why this guy almost tries to kill us all the time. But really does sound like. Hey. So in this part of the video, I'll be answering the questions that you guys had about the Renault Mégane RS. Gave you the platform on our Instagram story to ask me a couple of questions, and I have 2 or 3 people asking me if this is a stock exhaust. As a matter of fact, yes, this is the factory stock exhaust from Renault. My view is that when they were building this car, they were trying to figure out ways in which they could beat the GTI, and they knew that in terms of performance and reliability, they weren't really going to match up to it. So they made it look beautiful, because you can't deny that it's a gorgeous car, and the technology in this car is insane, and the sound, which they won that overall. I feel like this is one of the best sounding hot hatches there is out there. The Renault Mégane RS stock exhaust sounds insane. Just imagine it had the downpipe or a full exhaust. Next question, how does it compare to a Golf 7 GTI or 7.5? Well, we had drag races on Sunday, and it has more power. It has 205 kilowatts compared to Polo GTI, which I think has 147. But the Polo GTI was winning, and also Golf 7 GTIs were also winning in 7.5s. But I couldn't understand why, to be honest with you. With the Polo, I understand it's a bit lighter, and the GTI, I guess maybe it's overall the gearbox, because it has more power, but it kept on losing. So it has its good days and bad days, but as it comes back to what I was saying, they were trying to beat Volkswagen in so many ways, they just couldn't do it in all the ways. So performance wise versus the GTI, I would say the GTI performs much better. One of the last questions is about the stats of the car, and I think I already shared that in the beginning of the video. But overall, my view of the Renault Mégane RS, it's a very good car, but in terms of reliability and expense, it's very expensive and it's not very reliable. Most of the parts out in South Africa, you have to order them from overseas. A friend of mine had the previous Renault Mégane RS from 2007, around there, and I was talking to him. He was thinking about getting this one, and he was telling me he had the same issues back then. When I explained to him the issues my friend has had with his current Mégane RS, he's like, okay, so the brand hasn't changed. But overall, if you want something unique, you can go for it if you love it, but you better have deep pockets and be ready for any unexpected areas. My overall rating of the car would be a solid 7. It does everything else, just lacks in those tiny departments. I remember I'm comparing it between the Polo GTI, the Mini Cooper JCW, and itself. So I'm still going to decide which car to pick overall between those 3 cars. But please do comment below which car you think is the best. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for the continuous support. We've gotten this far in the YouTube industry simply because you guys keep on watching. Please continue to watch the rest of the video. I'll show you the races which we had on Sunday, some couple of interesting races, and enjoy the rest of the video. Catch you guys on the next video, which is a project which we're bringing to Mzansi Petrol Hits. We've already started on it. I just wanted to get a few more clips and then Catch and pass. Catch and pass.